In the bustling world of business, time is a currency more precious than gold. Yet, every day, countless hours get lost, swallowed by the black hole of inefficiency that lurks in the heart of office workflows. Mismanaged tasks, forgotten emails, cluttered inboxes, and unorganized schedules. These are the silent productivity killers that hinder the potential growth of your business. Enter our team of office assistance experts, the knights in shining armor, ready to slay the dragon of inefficiency. Whether virtual or on-site, these wizards of workflow bring a unique blend of expertise, dedication, and cutting-edge technology to the table. Imagine a world where tasks flow seamlessly from one stage to the next, where communication is clear, concise, and timely. A world where the only emails in your inbox are the ones that matter, where your schedule is an organized symphony of productivity, not a chaotic cacophony of missed appointments and overlapping meetings. This is the world our office assistance team can create for you. The benefits of our service stretch far beyond mere convenience. Enhanced efficiency leads to increased productivity, and increased productivity leads to growth. It's a simple equation, yet one that has profound implications for your business. By optimizing your office workflow, our team can help you save time, reduce stress, and ultimately boost your bottom line. But the benefits don't stop there. Our office assistance team also brings a wealth of experience and knowledge to your business. With their help, you can stay abreast of the latest trends and technologies in office management, ensuring that your business always stays one step ahead of the competition. In the world of business, the difference between success and failure often comes down to efficiency. So why let inefficiency hold you back? Reach out to our office assistance team today and discover how we can help you streamline your workflow, elevate your efficiency, and unleash the full potential of your business. Don't just dream of success, make it a reality. Contact us now. Your future self will thank you.